Okay, part 2. I gotta work fast. Okay, still heating this. Gotta take the water that's in here and get as much of it out as I can. Okay, and you gotta work fast. So put the bread in here. There's the bread. The bread going in. Okay. Now, you want primer? You want to prime this? Alright. Now, we want to get the glue inside the 90, which you're not seeing. And now, around here. Okay. And now, with that done, I'm going to put this in here. Make sure it's lined up. It's going to meet up well. Right there. Okay, and that's going to work right there. Nice fit. Okay, next I'll cut my riser pipe. Next will be the riser. In the meantime, this can be warming that joint up there with the blow dryer. Help to speed up the drying time. Next, taking the measurement for the riser. Go down here to the bottom of the bin. Down here to the bottom of the bin. Up to the top of the bin. Actually right below the top. We have 7.5 inches. So we cut it about 7.5. Okay, I've got this at about 7 3/8 right here. And I've got it on each side. That's where my blade's going to go. It's in the middle of those two marks. Okay, the blow dryer is still heating. And that 7.5 inch cut gave me this. I brought it just below the top. And then I know I marked right underneath it to that bottom edge of that. And that should drop my 90 right where it belongs. Dry fitting. Okay. So now I can pull this out. Well. Okay. That's why you don't glue. So you can make your adjustments and have a perfect cut fit the first time every time. And make sure you stuff up these edges. I like it when you can feel it. Here you can see where I've stuffed it up all the way around. That way it gives your glue a better bond. And you do that on every connection, for those of you that don't know.